How to fix Facebook long videos not showing. Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if your Facebook is only showing reels and not the long reels. So do not worry, in this video, we will see how we can fix it. So let's get started. First of all, this issue can be often due to an outdated application or a temporary glitch. So make sure that your application is up to date. To search for the updates, you have to open up a Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Facebook and make sure that the application is up to date. If the update is available, tap on update. Once the update is complete, now you have to go back to Facebook, open it, and try to see if you can see the long videos or not. So if that still does not help you, sometimes you are stuck on the reels or watch tab only, which will show the search video. So from your main home feed, scroll normally to see the longer videos. So when you scroll normally under your home feed, the long videos might pop up. So you can scroll normally to see longer videos. Or if not, you could also tap on the video section from the menu bar at the top and explore there as well. But if you cannot find the videos option here, tap on your profile at the top right, head over to settings and scroll down, head over to tab bar, head over to customize the bar and make sure that the video option is not hidden. If hidden, then you cannot find the video section. So tap on the hidden drop down, then tap on pin. After that, the video will be shown in your menu bar on your home piece. So from there also you could see the video. But if that still does not help you, you can clear the application keys. For that, you have to open up settings, go to apps, then go to Facebook, go to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. After that, go back, restart the application and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, there might be a temporary bug, so you can either log in with your account on a different phone or try with another Facebook on your device. If it works elsewhere, then it's likely a device specific problem or the account specific issue. And that's it. One of the solutions should bring your long videos back. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.